Hey, let's check out more gifts from Japan. So even the package, the box they came in is kind of cute. It's got Tokyo Sky Tree and the Tokyo Tower. Let's start with, after that, the snacks. I already ate them all, but I can still show you some stuff. So these are cookies and very cute wrapping. And I think there were 10 of them, and here is one. And they're printed on there, very cute. And they taste like vanilla wafers. Have this. So this is lemon and salt. Well, nori, so seaweed, right? And lemon. So you'd expect lemon to be sweet, right? At least in America. But it's with salt, and that was not what I was expecting. And personally, I would choose sweet over salty. So it was an interesting flavor, and that's what they look like. And we have these, which seem to be kind of corn flavor, and from Family Mart potato chips. These are good. And koala mochi, koala town, I guess. Strawberry. And they had kind of a soft middle inside of a cookie. Oh, March. Okay. Koala's March. Okay, cute. These things like Pocky, but not Pocky. And they taste like Pocky, but they are Toppo. Okay, that's snacks. And I got a CD of Perfume, CD and DVD of a compilation of Perfume. Love the World. And there's also a DVD. Oh, DVD is in my computer already. But it's also a DVD of the Fake It video and making of Fake It, and what else? I forget. Oh, like a historical retrospective of oh, there's me. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. Of the polyrhythm video. Okay, and we have from Kimetsu no Yaiba, what was her name? Retsuko, I think, maybe? No, no, not Retsuko. That was the that's another anime. What was her name? I forget. But does it say on here? Pofuto Nuigurumi no Ichi. I can't remember. And we have from Date a Bullet, which I haven't seen that anime, but I guess it's Date Alive. I got this. And we have postcard, all the things cats can sit on. And this echo bag, tote bag. And smaller version. And I think that's it. So, thank you very much, my friend, for all the gifts from Japan. See ya.